in the day of judgment. Three categories of people I will be against them in the day of judgment. Your Islamic lectures will be longer before the day of judgment. But in the eyes of Islam, it's completely wrong, unsuccessful.
Oh my day, bye. Oh my name, oh my gusha.
রঙ্গিলা বড়ই তুই রঙ্গিলা রে, তোর রূপের আগুনে হৃদয়ে পড়ে।